Hi, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings app. And after that, tap to connections section. Here you'll see Wi-Fi switcher. Just click once on the switcher to activate Wi-Fi. And after that, we can see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. To enter the password and to see the password, you should click here to this eye icon to have no some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen. So after that, we should click here to connect. Now just wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. To turn off the Wi-Fi by the same way, click on the switcher once again. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. After that, find here the Wi-Fi icon and click on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. If you want to turn it off, you should click on the Wi-Fi icon once again. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.